We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. We're gonna save this one. No quads left behind, guys.
Oh, we're definitely getting there. It's like knee-deep water. I just don't want it to hit and fall.
No quads left behind.
This is gonna fuck us up.
That stick reach it, bro?
That stick might reach it, and that might be better because then you can knock it kind of where you want it.
Damn. A little bit too short.
Motherfucker. That's alright.
Try original plan. So what, you want to flip dark one now?
I'm in now, bro.
Oh shit. I'm fucking get hurt.
I'm in now, bro.
Oh, whoa, whoa, don't fall down that shit.
Okay.
Oh shit. If it lands on the tarp, it should be okay. Oh god. Chris, turtle nose, quad. Hopefully it will land on the tarp.
Now, I'm going to hand you this radio real quick. I don't want my radio in the water, but I'm going to turtle mode. I'm going to let it fall through. I'm going to pass you the radio, grab it by the handle so we're good, and I'm going to snatch the quad. Okay?
Hold on. That's set up here.
Without the quad,
Capture it.
get low. Perfect fucking camera. Look at that.
Yeah, right? Capture it.
Right? Can you reach from there? We probably could with the one
I got the radio. That way you can knock it where you want it, because if you turtle mode it, it might
I'm
just...
gonna tell you.
You want to try it?
Oh, here we go. This time I can't drop my radio.
There you go. Put your lanyard. Lanyard to
Sidewinder
the rescue.
Customs to the fucking rescue.
Come on, brother. You got this. Just make sure it don't land on your head. It's easy. Got this. Might be able to catch it. Definitely coming this time, dude. A little bit more.
Just don't have good footing.
Off your footing. Get your footing. Got it? There. Stick?
Yeah, I'm standing on that one now.
Yeah, that big one. about that big one.
Oh, my fucking DJI unit is fucking scalding hot, but I don't care.
Unplug it.
Oh my god.
I got you.
Quad.
Yes. You want me to take transmitter? Let me get transmitter. Just in case. Just do your lanyard. Got you.
Teamwork right there.
Teamwork makes the dream work, baby.
Teamwork, baby.
Yay, and no quad left behind. That was a good save right there.
Woo, that was luck, guys. That was luck.
Telemetry lost.
I was motherfucking knee deep in some water, and my only thing was not to lose the quad. Lose it. We weren't going to lose it, but forsake it fall in the water is what I meant. And as soon as it hit, it would just fry everything. I knew this shit. So, oh, good save. That was awesome. Wow. Epic, epic, epic. I'm definitely going to go ahead and put this shit up on the tube. Oh, hey, that's what passionate quad people go through. The environment tries to steal our shit.
All right.
Send it.